Companies are responsible for producing specific waste management strategies, procedures, and facilities. These need to include the recycling of general waste, card, paper, metals, glass, and plastics, etc., as well as any relevant waste associated with a particular business operation. Waste should not be allowed to accumulate, and a regular, frequent waste removal and cleaning procedure should be adopted. Storage areas can be kept clean and free from refuge and incorrectly stored materials by using a picking trolley recycle materials sack. Conveniently sized for trolleys or packing stations, there are two versions with 1 or 2 pockets. The trolley sack is designed to hang over the handle of a trolley, providing the user with an area to store and recycle waste as they restock shelves, suitable for trolleys up to 580 mm wide. The sack can also be hung from the metal eyelets located in each corner of its header. This allows the sack to be used anywhere as a waste collection station. S-hooks are available as an accessory. The trolley sack is made from tough waterproof polyester and can be supplied in 2 versions, with 2 pockets to allow waste to be segregated, or with 1 deep single pocket. Yellow straps help aid carrying and emptying. If a company needs the sacks to convey a particular message or logo in a sufficient number, they can be overprinted.